Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in SED. That is how to print the lines from the text file. We can use the special character dollar which represent the last line of the file. So let us print the last line of the file. Here I am having one file called test. This text file contains around 4 lines. Okay, it contains 4 lines. We are going to print to the last. We are going to print the last line of the file, not from the first to last. We are going to print only the last line of the file. How we are going to print it, we can see now. See, this is the first unique section is the last line. That is the fourth line of the file. That is the last line. It contains only the 4 lines only. Okay, so it prints the last line of the file. This is first unique session. Okay, this is the way you can print the last line of the file. How to print from third line to the last line of the file. Okay, sometimes you may want to do some analysis. At that time, if you want to print from third line to the last line of the file, how can we do it? See, it prints from third to last line of the file. Okay, here it is printing from third line to last line of the file. How to print the next 4 lines from the particular line number. Next 4 lines from particular line number. For example, if we want to print 4 lines after the line number 10 means how can we do that? Here we are having only 4 lines. I am going to print from second line onwards. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I will do like this. You can easily understand. Okay. After 2, you have to give one comma. Okay. It is printing from the second line to the second line and the third line. Okay. +1 means after the line number second. +2 means after line number 2, it will print 2 lines. +3 means after line number 2, it will print 3 lines. Like that, it will go. So we have to use 2, comma, plus, and then number. Whichever the number you want to give, you can give. Okay. And then T stands for print, and then the text file name. Here, text contains some text content, and we are having only 4 lines. Okay. This is the way you have to use the SED for analyzing the text file. You can do the massaging, chopping, whatever the things, whatever the contents you want, you can extract and you can do the analysis, whatever the things you can do that. Here I am using a text file. In real-time environment, you might be receiving some data files where you can extract the second line to last line, first line to second line, first line to middle of the file. Like that, you can do that. By using this SED, you can do the massaging work. Okay, whichever the data file, whatever with the contents, you can do the massaging work. I will put some other that the SED commands in the next video. Thanks. Bye.